Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get level 2 on interactive brokers step by step. Start by confirming your account type and enabling two-factor authentication, then review your trading permissions and residency info. Next, navigate to Market Data Subscriptions and select the level 2 packages you need for your exchanges. Finally, verify billing, accept terms, and restart your trading platform to see live depth once the subscription activates. Begin by logging into account management and checking your personal information and permissions for trading. Then go to Market Data Subscriptions, pick the level 2 feeds for the exchanges you trade, and confirm any bundle options that match your strategy. After selecting feeds, review the charges, accept all exchange agreements, and submit the request. Wait for confirmation and restart your Trader Workstation or IBKR Mobile to load the new level 2 market depth. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It responds to voice control and keeps floors tidy so you can focus on trading instead of sweeping. I love how it learns where to go and handles pet hair without fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If level 2 doesn't appear, try restarting Trader Workstation or IBKR Mobile to refresh market feeds and cache. Confirm the subscription shows as active in billing and subscriptions in account management, and verify your exchange entitlements match the symbols you want to view. If issues continue, gather your account number, subscription confirmation, and screenshots. Then contact Interactive Brokers support for targeted help, while you remain logged in on a secondary device to follow troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.